What is the best possible cashback credit card for your needs? There are a bunch of credit cards out there that offer some pretty amazing cashback rewards, and I want to tell you what I think is the best. The problem is each person has different needs, and so the best credit card for me might not be the best credit card for you. The best credit card for you is really going to depend on what you're spending the most on. For my family, we're spending the most at Costco, and Costco has amazing cashback rewards, 5% on gas, 2% on groceries. If you pair that with the executive membership at Costco, you actually end up getting 4% in cashback rewards, which usually doubles the cost of the membership in cashback. But if you don't shop at Costco, the Costco card is not the best card for you. It's all about being honest with yourself, auditing your expenses, and figuring out which card is going to be the best for you. The goal is to have a primary spending credit card where you put most of your expenses on and then you pay it off every 2 to 3 weeks or every month. For me, my primary spending card is the Gemini crypto exchange credit card, and I get my cashback rewards in Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, and those cashback rewards are paid in crypto. So they can go up and they can go down. But I personally believe that crypto is better than cash. Not to mention that it pays the highest rewards on things that I spend the most money on. For example, there's 10% cash back on golf. There's 4% cash back on gas. There's 3% cash back at restaurants. And there's 2% cash back on groceries. And that's paid instantly in Bitcoin or in crypto instantly. That's the best credit card for my personal needs and my personal beliefs. If you'd like to see if you qualify for the Gemini credit card, you can go ahead and click the link in the description, or here's a QR code. You can try this and see if you're pre-approved without it causing an inquiry. I also have to state that cashback rewards are only profitable for you if you never hold a balance. If you carry your balance into next month, most likely the interest that you're going to pay is going to completely negate any of your cashback rewards. So you need to be responsible and make sure you're paying off your balance in full each month. If you already have a relationship with a bank or a credit union, it's always good to look at the credit cards they offer and see if there's anything in there that's going to fit your specific needs. It's impossible for me to pick out the best credit card for you without talking with you and seeing your credit report. It's possible for you to do it on your own, but if you want a little bit of help, feel free to reach out by email or schedule a free, no obligation consultation on our website, CreditCEO.com. What I'll do is I'll go over your credit report, create a plan of action, and I'll record a personalized video sent to your email, not posted on YouTube, going over the plan of action and what I think you should do. If you found any of the information in this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Just subscribing and liking our content really helps us to reach more people. So if you found anything valuable, help me out. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video.